Hello everyone, welcome to Siddhi Academics. I'm Amrita. I firmly believe that you should keep trying until you get it right. Let's start our trial for today. We have finished the entire logical reasoning section from Class 6 Maths Olympiad question paper for 2022-23. Now let's solve from the same question paper the mathematical reasoning section. But if you want to watch all those questions being solved by me and learn along with me, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Siddhi Academics. Let's start.
Let's start with question number 16. Question number 16 says, what is the smallest value of A so that 23A63 is divisible by 3? So we need to know the divisibility rule of 3. The number that has given to us is 236A63. Okay, what is the divisibility rule by 3? It says that if we add all the digits in a number, okay, in the given number, and if what we get the sum, okay, the sum that we get of sum of digits, if that is a multiple of 3, if this sum of digits is a multiple of 3, then that number is divisible by 3. That is the divisibility rule of by 3. So I'll erase all of this. Let's first find the sum of the digits here. 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 6 is 11. Then let's leave this A for now. 5 plus 6 is 11, 11 plus 6 is 17, 17 plus 3 is 20. Okay, so what could be the smallest value of A so that it will become divisible by 3? This entire number becomes divisible by 3. Obviously, it has to be 1, right? Because 3 sevens are 21. 21 is the, if we consider A to be the smallest value, then it should be 21. Okay, otherwise A could be anything. It could be also 4. Then it will become 3 8s are 24. But that is not the question. The question has clearly mentioned smallest value of A. So 20 plus 1 will give us 21, which is a multiple of 3 because 3 sevens are 21. So B, option B for question number 16, option B says 1. So that is the answer for question number 16. Let's move to the next question. Question number 17 says, what is the difference between the successor of greatest 4-digit number and predecessor of the smallest 4-digit number? Now, for those for whom successor word is not clear, successor means what follows. Just okay, after 1, what follows 1? 2. So, the successor of 1 is 2. This is the successor of 1. Okay, 2. Because it comes after 1. So what comes after is successor. What comes before? What comes before 2? Number 1 comes before 2. So this is the predecessor. It precedes. If you know what is the meaning of precede, wherever the word pre is used, it means before. So 1 is the predecessor of 2. Okay. So I hope I'm clear with what is successor and predecessor. Successor means what comes after something, and predecessor means something that precedes or comes before something. Okay, like here 1 is predecessor of 2 and 2 is successor of 1. Now if this is clear, we will solve this question very easily. If this is not clear, then we might get confused how to answer this question. Now what will be the first we need to know greatest 4-digit number, what it is? 9, 9, 9, 9, because there is no number bigger than 9. Okay, 1 to 9. Which is the biggest number? Single digit number 9. So 9999 is the biggest or the greatest 4-digit number. Now what will be the successor? Successor will be plus 1. Okay, if we add 1 to it, what it will become? 10,000. What comes after is the successor. So what comes after 9, now 9,999? 10,000. So this is the successor. We have found the successor. Now let's find predecessor. Predecessor of the smallest 4-digit number. Now what is the smallest 4-digit number? Obviously it has to be 1000. And what comes before this is the predecessor of 1000. So let's subtract 1. What will we get? 9, 9, 9, right? So we have got the predecessor of 1000, also the successor of the greatest 4-digit number, and the predecessor of the smallest 4-digit number. We need to find the difference here. Okay, difference between these two. Let's find the difference. So to make here 10, I have to do borrowing. So if I borrow this one here, the one will get borrowed here. Finally, what leaves here is 9. In this place, 9 here and another 9 here. So 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. Again here 9 minus 9 is 0. There is a 9 here because there is nothing below it. So it will be 9001. Okay, the answer will be 9001. Which option? Option D. So question number 17, option D, 9001 is the correct answer for question number 17. Let's move to the next question. Okay, let's solve question number 18. Question number 18 says subtract the sum of 2, 5, 5, 12 and 3, 3 by 4 from the sum of 7, 1 by 3 and 4, 1 by 6. So first let's write what needs to be added first. First we need to find sum of 7, 1 by 3 and 4, 1 by 6. And then find the difference with the sum of 2, 5 by 12 and 3, 3 by 4. So let's understand what will be the LCM of 3 and 6. LCM of 3 and 6 will be 6 because 6 is a multiple of 3, right? You might be knowing that in such cases, when one number like 6 here is a multiple of 3, 3 twos are 6, then LCM will be 6. So first let's convert this into an improper fraction, both of these. 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 1 is 22, 22 by 3 plus 4 6 are 24, 24 plus 1 is 25 by 6, right? And then we will solve this later. I'll just leave it like this here. So here it will become 6, 3 2s are 6, 22 multiplied with 2 is 44, 6 1s are 6, and 25 multiplied with 1 is 25. Now let's add it up. 4 plus 5 is 9 and 4 plus 2 is 6. 69 by 6. Okay, let's leave it like this. Now let's solve this here. First let's convert both the fractions into improper. 12 2s are 24. 24 plus 5 is 29. 29 by 12 plus 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 by 4. Now 12 and 4. What will be the LCM? Either you find like this, or again you have to understand that 12 is a multiple of 4, right? 4 3s are 12. So 12 is a multiple of 4. So LCM, if you find like this, it will come up to be 12. You can try like this, but it is not, it's going to be taking time. It's time consuming. Better you understand if one number is a multiple of the other number, then take the LCM as the multiple. Okay. Now here 12 will be the LCM. 12 ones are 12. 29 multiplied by 1 is 29. And 4 threes are 12. 50 into 3 is 45. So 9 plus 5 is 14. 1 gets carried over. 3 plus 4 is 7. 74 by 12. So let's we have got common factor here 2. So let's remove it first. 2 threes are 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. 14, 2 sevens are 14 and 2 6 are 12. So 69 by 6 minus 37 by 6, we have got common number in the denominator. So just subtract the numerators. 9 minus 7 is 2 and 6 minus 3 is 3. So 32 by 6. Again we have got common factor. 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 3 minus 2 is 1. So it will be 12, 2 6 are 12. 16 by 3. So just let's find out. 3 5s are 15. 16 minus 1 is 5. So it will be 5 1 by 3, which is option A. Question number 18A, Option 5, 1 by 3 is the answer. Let's move to the next question. Let's solve question number. Every Sunday for a month to raise money for the local children's hospital. The students charge rupees 100 for each bike they washed. Okay, the pictograph which is given here shows the total number of bikes washed by the team, okay, in 1 month. So there are 4 Sundays because there are 4 weeks in a month. So first Sunday they washed. Okay, just each figure of the bike is equal to 15 bikes. Okay, one figure of a bike is equal to 15 bikes. This also they have given because that many number of bikes they cannot show in the pictograph, right? And question is asking what is the total money of amount raised by the football team. Okay, so first Sunday, how many bikes are there? 3 bike figures are there. So 3 and each bike figure is equal to 15. So 3 multiplied by 15. 15 3s are 45. Total bikes washed on first Sunday is 45. Second Sunday, again 15 to 2, right? Because 2 bikes are there and each bike figure is equal to 15 bikes. So 15 to 2 is 30. Okay, second Sunday. What about third Sunday? Again 30. Fourth Sunday they have washed 5 multiplied by 15, so which is 75. Okay, 75 bikes. Last Sunday they bucked up because they had decided for for 4 Sundays or 1 month, so they washed 75 bikes, the most number of bikes. So now let's add all of this. 5 plus 5 is 10. And then 1 gets carried over. 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 plus 7 is 18. So 180 bikes in all. They washed 180 bikes in all. Now for each bike, how much were they charging? Rupees 100. It's already written here. Yes, here. Rupees 100 for each bike. So 100 multiplied with that will give us the total money that they raised for the local children's hospital. So it will be 180 and then 2 zeros, which is 18,000 rupees. 18,000. Option B is the correct answer for question number 19. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Okay, rupees 18,000. I'll just mention here for better and clear visibility. That question number 19, option B is the correct answer. Let's solve question number 20. Question number 20 says, which of the following is not a simple closed figure? Now there is no way here in option A to enter, so it's completely closed. B also completely closed, C also closed, but C is like a maze. If you have seen Jantar Mantar, you know what I am talking about. It's a maze. You can enter like this and like this. So if there is a way to enter, then definitely it is not a closed figure. So option D is the correct answer for question number 20.